Today, the world is changing fast. Plastic products are slowly getting banned in many countries. Even big companies are now searching for eco-friendly materials. And this is where natural fiber products are becoming a commercially relevant manufacturing segment. Fibers like bamboo, coconut, jute, banana, and hemp are cheap, renewable, and in demand in eco-product markets. The best part is that some of these businesses can be entered with relatively lower entry investment compared to large-scale factories. In this situation, if are you also thinking of starting an environmentally friendly products manufacturing business, don't worry. In today's video, we will show you 10 manufacturing business ideas from natural fibers that are growing globally. So watch this video carefully because one idea here might be worth exploring further based on your local market. However, some of these businesses require government permits and licenses, so please check the regulations. Furthermore, business outcomes and results may vary depending on market conditions and local competition, and this is not a guarantee of returns. So, come, let's start. Hi friends and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Coconut coir products manufacturing. Coconut husk usually gets thrown away, but inside it there is a strong fiber called coir. This fiber is used to make ropes, mats, brushes, and garden products. The demand is growing because coir products are biodegradable and very durable. Many countries import coir mats and gardening products from India. The raw material is cheap and easily available in coastal areas. With a few small machines, this can be a viable manufacturing unit, but profitability depends on your proximity to raw materials, local buyer network, and production volume. Number 2. Bamboo fiber tableware manufacturing. Plastic plates and cups are slowly disappearing from many markets. Bamboo fiber tableware is becoming a popular replacement. These include plates, bowls, spoons, and takeaway containers. Restaurants and food delivery brands are now shifting to eco-friendly packaging. Bamboo grows very fast, so the raw material is sustainable. So you can start with molding machines, and you can produce large quantities quickly. This business has domestic demand as quick service companies switch to biodegradable packaging. Number 3. Jute bag manufacturing. Jute bags are already replacing plastic carry bags in many countries. Governments are encouraging the use of reusable bags. Supermarkets, clothing stores, and brands now prefer printed jute bags. India already produces large amounts of jute fiber, so you can start this product making business. The manufacturing process is machine assisted, and machines are widely available. And if you make them with good designs and branding, jute bags can sell and margins can be attractive. Number 4. Banana fiber products manufacturing. Banana farming produces huge amounts of waste after harvesting the fruit. The stem of the plant contains a strong natural fiber that can be extracted. This fiber is used to make ropes, handicrafts, textiles, and eco-friendly products. Therefore, if you are a rural entrepreneur, you can now convert banana waste into income. The machines for fiber extraction are affordable and require operator training and calibration, but are widely available. With the growing eco market, banana fiber products are getting more attention. Number 5. Hemp fiber textile manufacturing. Hemp fiber is one of the strongest natural fibers available today. It is used to produce fabrics, ropes, and industrial textiles. Many clothing brands are now launching hemp-based clothing lines. Hemp requires less water and chemicals compared to cotton. Because of this, it is seen as a sustainable textile material. The market is still developing, which means early entrants face a lower competitive threshold in this developing segment. But hemp processing in India requires a license under the NDPS Act. Number 6. Pineapple leaf fiber products. Pineapple farming produces large amounts of leaves that normally go to waste. These leaves contain strong fibers that can be processed into fabric and eco products. Pineapple fiber is already used to make bags, shoes, and fashion accessories. Many eco-fashion brands are now experimenting with this material. With fiber extraction and processing machines, small units can start production. This business turns farm waste into high-value products. Number 7. Cotton waste recycling products. Textile factories produce tons of cotton waste every year. Instead of throwing it away, it can be recycled into new products. These include cleaning cloths, stuffing materials, and recycled yarn. Many industries use cotton rags for cleaning machinery. These include wipes, packing materials, and recycled yarn, and many factories today use cotton cloths to clean machinery. Therefore, you can consider starting a manufacturing business in this. However, cotton waste recycling has lower raw material costs, but the margin depends on volume, sorting quality, and buyer contracts. Number 8. Sisal fiber rope manufacturing. Sisal is a strong natural fiber extracted from agave plants. It is widely used for ropes, carpets, and industrial applications. Sisal ropes are used in shipping, agriculture, and construction. Because it is biodegradable, many industries prefer it over synthetic ropes. The rope making machines are simple and production can be scaled easily. Sisal rope manufacturing has recurring industrial buyers, but income stability depends on distribution reach and competition from synthetic alternatives. Number 9. Natural fiber composite boards. Natural fibers like jute, bamboo, and hemp can be mixed with resin to create strong composite boards. These boards are used in furniture, interior panels, and construction materials. Many companies are now searching for eco-friendly building materials. Natural fiber boards are lighter and more sustainable compared to traditional materials. With pressing and molding machines, small manufacturing units can produce these boards. The construction sector has an active procurement cycle for eco-certified materials, particularly for interior panels and furniture-grade boards. Number 10. Flax fiber linen products manufacturing. Global linen market data shows consistent growth in the premium apparel segment. People prefer linen clothes because they feel light and natural on the skin. The global linen market is growing fast, especially in summer clothing. Flax farming is also increasing, which means the raw material supply is improving. With basic textile processing, this can become a high-value business. It is a strong option if you want to enter the fashion segment. So friends, these are the 10 natural fiber manufacturing sectors we have analyzed in today's video. However, before you make any decisions, there is one final indispensable step you must take. Before investing even a single rupee, every business idea you have just seen must pass a 3-point evaluation: proximity to raw materials, accessibility to buyers, and the density of local competition. So if you choose the right product and create good distribution, even a small unit can grow into a large business later on. But this requires significant operational planning.